Hello and welcome to Major Dev's new video. So today I'm gonna try to make a new series here. I'm gonna start with 5 episodes. I'm not gonna release 5 episodes right now, but this is gonna be a new series. I'm creating things in 10 minutes in Unity. Yeah, it can be like a menu that I'm gonna start today. And maybe sometimes I can make other menus, try something other challenge, cutscenes, animations. Yeah, you understand anything about game development in 10 minutes. So this gonna be really excited. I start with 5 episodes because I want to try if this is something to do when I'm not have done some devlogs, so I can add this to my channel. So today let's start making a menu. I'm gonna try make something simple, maybe with animation, a really simple one at least. We're gonna use mobile phone. 10 minutes. 10 minutes. It's a lot. It's really blurry. And I have a timer on my other screen, so I can see what the time is. So we're gonna start. So I'm not talking too much. I'm gonna count down to 3. Then start. So 1, 2, and 3. So now have we start. Let's make a background. Just simple one. Maybe I like little bit like red. What is called red rose or red orange or something. Bright red. Okay, not talking too much. Let's create a canvas. I'm gonna change this to scale because I always do that when I doing my small projects or something, playing around. I'm not sure why I'm doing it here, but I'm doing it. Let's create a panel. We're gonna center it. Make it 500 maybe. I'm gonna do like that, so it's follow. Maybe we want remove the background so it's a little more flat. We can have some dark background or maybe remove it later. And we're gonna add some bottom now. I'm gonna use this basic remove the background. We're gonna use an animation, some simple animation, not some hardcore one. And we're gonna start with the grid layout. So it's gonna save some time. Maybe here we put some 350 or maybe 400. Yeah, like that. Here maybe 75 or maybe 85. Yeah, that's good, I guess. And let's put them to center. And we gonna put some top, maybe down there. Yeah, something like that. 180 maybe. So okay, what we're gonna do now? Fix the text. Bold maybe. Here, start game. Take it down a little bit more. Maybe we can put best fit. No, don't do that. So yes, okay. I'm really stressed if you wonder why I'm so weird and confused. So yes, maybe we can have same color as the background, like that, or maybe, yeah, like that. Yeah, I think it's fine. Maybe we need to do some animation. There, let's create, I call it just bottom to save some time. We're gonna record that one, click on the bottom and click on scale. Yeah, simple one. Add scale, put it to maybe 20, yeah, something like that. Let's try it. It's working, and maybe when it's going back, copy that one, and it's all right. So now we got some simple animation. Close that. So now let's see here, we gonna copy more buttons so we can see how it's gonna look. Little bit like right now it's 6 minutes, Swedish English for the win, mixing blah blah blah. Okay, stop talking, just make some space here, like that. So okay, let's try the animations. Okay, that's not right. Let's animator, parameters, click on the bottom. We need to make empty, do it like that, make some transition, then transition to that. I don't need to make beautiful. We need some parameters, add some triggers, that's a simple one. Maybe we could click. So we need to remember, make it click on that one, and that need to have exit. Okay, so let's try again. 5 minutes soon. It's not working. Okay, press trigger, right click. Okay, now shall it works. Let's see here. Why it looks like that? Wait a minute. Let's have no, not exit. I mean, wait a minute. Okay, it was the loop one. Okay, let's try again. Okay, it's working. Let's change the text. Exit, maybe we write here settings, maybe load game, maybe we should remove that one. Oh, sorry, I'm laughing at them. I'm not sure why. Maybe we 100 instead. Maybe 115 looks a little bit better. So okay, what can we do more? Wait a minute. Maybe we can add some. Yeah, maybe we can when we're clicking. We can make some opacity just to make it looks a little bit more smoother. So that we're gonna do, we need to. I'm gonna remove the buttons, or it's gonna be weird. So we're gonna do like this, and first that we need to start that. I need to add key on that, then I need to add the text, and we need to, when we are clicking, it's gonna be fading here. It's gonna be fading like this to 0. This is just some weird effect. I'm not sure why I'm doing this, but yeah, I'm doing it just for fun. So let's copy that one to that. Yeah, doing like that. Let's see here. Maybe we can drag it to 20. And then let's create again. Now I'm wasting time, but still we got a little bit time. Right again, exit. Yeah. Settings and load game. Okay, so I hope it's working. It's gonna be, yeah, like that. And maybe we can add some. Now I don't have any. What can we say? Logo or something. But if we want, we can add some logo. But example, if we had some logo, we can have it here. Maybe we can do it like this. Wait a minute. We can stretch it and make it like that. Then we can maybe drag it. Maybe we write 40 and left minus 40. Oh my god, it's soon finished. Okay, I need do it like this. Do like this. Damn it. 500 and maybe I'm not sure why I'm doing this. I want to make it like that, maybe 125, and put text and write logo. Oh my god, why did I do this? This is not good. Center and white and enter. Yeah. Oh, this menu looks so funny. But yeah, it was really fun. At least I didn't make that. Yeah, in 10 minutes I did make some really simple menu. Next time maybe I can try to get some UI design or something. But it was really fun. Oh shit, it's a timer and everything. Can you hear the chicken sound? Yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. This was really simple, I understand, but it was really fun. Next time I'm gonna try something new. I'm gonna figure out what I'm gonna make. So if you want to see this, you can comment what do you think. Is this a good series I'm gonna start with? You can thumb up, subscribe and everything. So yeah, have a great day. Great day. Yeah.